Good morning, students. The next topic which we will do today is the Nazi worldview. The crimes which were committed by Nazis, it was linked with a system of belief and set of practices. Nazi ideology was synonym with Hitler's worldview. So, what was the ideology of Nazi is the synonym of the Hitler's worldview. What Hitler thinks about that. According to this, there was no equality between people. Now, according to Hitler, nobody was equal. There was no equality between people, but a racial hierarchy. Hierarchy means a system. It's a noun. A system ranking people one above other according to their status or importance. So, according to Hitler, there was a racial hierarchy, and in this view, the people, those who were blonde, golden hair, blue eyed, or they were known as Nordic German Aryan, pure German Aryans, they were at the top. And the people, those who belongs to the community Jewish, they were located at the lowest rung. So they came to be regarded as an anti-race. The Jewish, they were regarding as anti-race. And these are the arch enemies of Aryans, Nordic Aryan, the pure German race. All other colored people were placed in between according to their external features, like what is the color of their skin, according to this. So Hitler's racism borrowed from thinkers like Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer. So the racism which was practiced by Nazis, because it was the Hitler's worldview, Hitler borrowed this racism from thinkers like Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer. Darwin was a natural scientist and who tried to explain the creation of plants and animals through the concept of evolution and natural selection. Evolution means the process by which different kind of living organism developed from earlier process. Evolution means by the time when the growth of anything changes. Like earlier we were not human, we were apes. We were called apes, but gradually due to some evolution we turn into men. And Herbert Spencer later added the idea of survival of the fittest. Now Herbert Spencer has given the idea that who will survive in this country, whosoever is the fittest of all, he would survive in the country. So Hitler used their ideology to give a justification for whatsoever crime he was doing. And according to this idea, only those species survive on the earth that could adapt themselves to changing climatic condition. So we should bear in mind that Darwin's never advocated human intervention in what he thought was a purely natural process of selection. But here we need to understand, Darwin said so because he advocated that human intervention in natural process should not be there. He thought that it's a pure natural process, the evolution of plants. So, and however, his idea was used by racist thinker and politicians to justify imperial rule over conquered people. Now, some people, those who were racist and politicians, they use their ideas according to themselves. They modify or the ideas of Darwin and Herbert Spencer. The Nazi argument was simple. The strongest race would survive and the weak one would perish. Perish means something which does not exist anymore, or damage, you can say. So according to Nazis, the simplest argument is that the strongest race, according to Nazism, the strongest race was Nordic German Aryan and the weak one were Jewish. So they said that the strongest race would survive and the weak one would perish. So the Aryan race was the finest race according to Nazist, and they had to retain its purity and become stronger and dominate the world. This is why Hitler promoted this.